Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Amir Zeshan, Subject Specialist English in DPS Sahiwal. You are very warm welcome on our YouTube channel. Let's start today's lesson.
Today we have a topic possessive nouns. In the start of the lesson, I will tell you about the learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand the concept of possessive noun, know about the possessive noun rules and functions, use apostrophe. Students, do you know what is a possessive noun? Possessive nouns are those nouns that show possession. Possessive nouns are used to show ownership. A possessive noun shows ownership by adding an apostrophe, an s, or both. So, by reading this definition, we come to know that possessive noun shows possession or a relationship. We use apostrophe s to show ownership by adding an apostrophe. For example, Ali's book, lawyer's fee, student's grades. Now we have an activity. Rewrite the phrases by using the apostrophe in correct place. First phrase is the flat owned by Mr. Moin. So you have to rewrite the phrase by using the apostrophe in the correct place. So we have an answer, Mr. Moin's flat. First we will use the name of a person who is an owner, and right after using apostrophe s after the name of a person, we have added or used the possessive thing. So here the Moin who is owned by the flat, it is Mr. Moin's flat. Next statement is the cathedral named after St. Paul. Obviously, the cathedral which belongs to St. Paul is St. Paul's Cathedral. Now we have a third phrase, the mineral resources of Pakistan. The answer is Pakistan's mineral resources. Next statement, or the next phrase is the patients of Dr. Richards. Obviously, the patients of Dr. Richards are Dr. Richards' patients. Next statement is the next phrase is the promotion of my son-in-law. My son-in-law's promotion. Now we will discuss the functions of possessive forms of nouns. The apostrophe with s at the end of nouns does not always show ownership. It also has other functions. A few of the functions are here. First, to show a relationship. For showing relationship, we have an examples. My father's friends, the farmer's son. Second function is, or the second function of possessive form of noun is to show quality. Example, the soldier's bravery, the little boy's smile. Next, to show a part of something, we use possessive form of nouns. The left eye's cornea, the jeep's front wheels. function is to show a descriptive aspect. Examples: children's footwear, men's accessories. Now, after coming to know about the functions of the possessive noun, we have an activity too. Look at these sentences given below and write down the functions of possessive form of nouns, italicized in each case: ownership, relationship, quality, part, and description. We have a sentence: the plane's left wing stopped working at the time of landing. Here in this activity, we will tell the function, we will tell about the functions of possessive form of nouns. Plane's left wing is in italics. So plane's left wing shows the relationship. Next sentence: have you seen Adeel's new mobile phone? It looks very stylish. Adeel's new mobile phone. This phrase is in italics. And here the possessive form shows the ownership. Next we have a sentence: everyone noticed the speaker's nervousness on stage. Here, speaker's nervousness is in italics, so it shows the description. Next sentence: a new range of men's perfume was launched recently. Here, men's perfume is in italics, and as well as it is a possessive pronoun. So men's italics, men's perfume shows the quality. The next sentence: Ammar's best friend Afzal has gone to the UK for studies. Ammar's best friend is in italics and it shows relationship. Next sentence: the little girl's brother was a tall boy, 8 years of age. Girl's brother. As you know, students, we add apostrophe s with the word with the possessive noun. Here, girl's brother is a possessive noun, and girl's brother shows the relationship. This possessive noun shows the relationship. Its function is showing relationship between girl and his brother. The next sentence: Kashif's watch was lost in a crowded cafe. Kashif's watch. Here, Kashif's watch is showing an ownership. Apostrophe s is doing the function of showing ownership. Kashif is a owner of the watch. That's why apostrophe s is used to show the ownership of Kashif. Next sentence: the car's rear tire went flat just as it started. Car's rear tire. So car's rear tire apostrophe that is used after the word car is showing that rear tire is a part of a car. So here it it is doing a function of showing the word rear tire as a part of a car. Next sentence, the child's happy face for all the satisfaction Paul needed for his good deed. Child's happy face. Child's happy face is showing the quality. Child's happy face is here a quality. It is showing a quality. The girl's beautiful writing delighted the teacher. Girl's beautiful writing. So here we have girl's beautiful writing in an italic form. So it shows that the girl's beautiful writing is showing that the possessive, possessive noun is showing the quality of girl's writing. Now it's time for homework. Students open page 34 from Oxford Grammar Tree and solve statement 6 to 10 from exercise A. Thank you very much and have a nice day.